In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flutterflow Ai. To get started, open the Flutterflow website and either sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. You can use a Google account or an email-based login, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new project. Click Create New, then choose whether you want to begin with a blank project or use a template. A blank project gives you full control, while a template can help you move faster if you want a starting point. Enter your project name, then click Create Project. After that, take a moment to explore the interface so you know where everything is. The widget panel is where you'll find the building blocks for your app's design. The canvas is the main area where you visually create each screen. The widget tree helps you keep track of how your layout is structured, which becomes especially useful as your app grows. You'll also use the Properties panel to adjust settings and customize each selected widget. Now design your first screen. Drag a column widget onto the canvas to create a vertical layout. Inside that column, add a text widget for your title, then place a text field underneath it so users can enter information. Below the text field, add a button. Once those elements are in place, customize the colors, fonts, and spacing so the screen feels polished and easy to use. Even simple styling changes can make your app look much more professional. Next, create additional pages. Open the Pages section and select Add Page. You can create common screens such as a login page, a home page, a profile page, and a settings page. This helps organize your app early and gives you a clearer picture of the user flow. Once your pages are ready, add navigation between them. Select a button, open the Actions panel, and click Add Action. Choose Navigate to, then select the page you want that button to open. This is how you connect screens together and turn a static design into an interactive app. If you want your app to store or display real data, you can connect a database. Open Firebase or another supported backend integration, connect your project, create collections or tables for your data, and then bind your widgets to that backend data. When everything is set up, test your app by clicking Run or Preview. Move through the screens and check for any layout or functionality issues. Finally, save your project, build it for Android, iOS, or web. Download the generated Flutter code. If your plan